The travel was very safe and very nice. The driver was very supportive. Wherever we were asking him to take us, he was ready to take us without any questions. Thank you.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಾ, ಮುಖ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಹಿಂಗಿಟ್ಕೋ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Kruti, okay, you talk.
ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಬಾ
ಮಾತಾಡು ಹಿಂಗೆ.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
was nice and big. We enjoyed a full trip.
Okay, how was driver uncle?
Driver is I love driver uncle. He was very supportive.
Thank you.